find the value of k if x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 2x squared minus kx plus 10, and hence determine whether x plus 5 is also a factor. Right? This question was asked in the ICSE 2011 exam. First, let's start off by marking our given polynomial as f of x, which is given to us as x cubed plus 2x squared minus kx plus 10. Let's consider x minus 2 as our divisor first, so to find the value of k basically. So I can say let my divisor, which is x minus 2, we'll equate that to 0. So in that way I can say therefore x is equal to 2, because minus 2 on the side comes 2, so x is equal to 2. Now remember, they've told us that x minus 2 is a factor, so x minus 2 is a factor of our f of x, right? How do I use this information though? Now remember, if x minus 2 is our divisor and f of x is our given polynomial, the remainder, according to the remainder theorem, the remainder will be equal to f of x, or rather f of 2, sorry, right? And according to the factor theorem, if the given divisor is a factor, the value of the remainder should be equal to 0, right? So let's use this information over here. So f of 2 is nothing but 2 instead of x in f of x. So f of 2 will become 2 cube plus 2 into x square becomes 2 into 2 square minus kx is minus k into 2 plus 10, right? And this entire thing is equal to 0. Right, so if you see, this is one equation with k as the only variable. If I solve this, I should be able to find the value of k. So let's do just that. Right, so 2 cube is 8 plus 2 into 2 square is also 8 minus 10 k into 2, which is 2k, right, plus 10 is equal to 0, right? So therefore we have this. Simplifying this further, 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 10 is 26 minus 2k is equal to 0. And if I solve this, I get let's take plus 26 to the other side of the equation, right? I get minus 2k is equal to minus 26, and therefore finally k would be equal to minus 26 upon minus 2, which gives me the value of k as 13, right? So we found the value of k. The next thing, but this question is still not done. They have also asked us to determine whether k plus 5 is a factor, and for that, first let's just rewrite our f of x with the value of k substituted in. So I can say therefore my value of f of x is now x cubed plus 2x square minus, instead of k I put in 13x plus 10. So this is my f of x now with k substituted, and I want to check whether x plus 5 is also a factor. So if I want to determine if x plus 5 is a factor, so I'm basically going to consider, I'll say let x plus 5 be equal to 0, which would tell me that x is equal to minus 5. And if I'm dividing by x plus 5, I'll use the remainder theorem and which will tell me that the remainder of f of x and x plus 5 is basically going to be f of, instead of x, I put down minus 5, right? So the remainder should be equal to f of minus 5. So let's see what's the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 5 with the help of the remainder theorem. So f of minus 5 is basically x cubed, which is minus 5 cubed plus 2 times minus 5 square minus 13 into minus 5 plus 10. Right, let's solve this. So what we have here now is let's see, minus 5 cube is minus 125. 2 into minus 5 square, so 25 square is 25, into 2 will give me 50. Minus 13 into minus 5 will make it plus 65 and plus 10 at the end, right? So finally I can say therefore my remainder, right, is equal to minus 125 plus 50 is minus 75, plus 65 is minus 10, minus 10 plus 10 is 0, so therefore my remainder is equal to 0. Okay, now since the remainder is equal to 0, this implies, since the remainder is equal to 0, this implies that x plus 5 is a factor of f of x, right? So there are our two answers. Let's just mark them in a final part. So first thing we need to do was find the value of k. We found that as k equal to 13. And the second thing we wanted to determine if x plus 5 is a factor or not, and we got the answer as x plus 5 is, a factor of our polynomial, which was x cubed plus 2x squared minus 13x plus 10. This here is our final answer. Two parts, the value of k and that x plus 5 is a factor.